Hey, what's going on guys? This is Amir Hussain and you are watching Trick I Know YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the official 7-inch display from Lattepanda. This will work both on Lattepanda Alpha and Lattepanda Delta. I got this unit from DF Robot. For more information, check out the video description. So here we got the LCD with the beautiful box. Look at that golden brandings. Like always, it's another cool box. Let me open it up guys. Here is our LCD protected with these foams on the case. So in the box we got our LCD with a connector to connect it with the Lattepanda board. So right now our LCD is protected by a plastic peel which we have to remove before using. In the back we have a quick start guide, and as you can see, the edge of this monitor is stickable. You can stick this LCD on any custom case you have built. The hardware quality of this LCD is very good. This is well built and not going to be easily broke. And this little thing is our touch cable which will work on Windows 10 and other supported operating systems. So here is our display cable, nicely instructed with the labels, and in the back we have the Lattepanda branding. And here is my Lattepanda Alpha 864S on which I am going to install the LCD. Now guys, it's setup time. The first thing you have to do, take a pry tool like this and open up the door of the display socket. Once you opened it up, plug the display cable like this. Then close the door to lock this cable. Now we have to connect it to the board. All you have to do, open up the door just like the LCD and insert the display cable like this, then close the door. Now open the touch socket door, then plug the touch cable on it and also close this door. Now our LCD is connected to the Lattepanda Alpha. Now the next thing you have to do, just remove the protective plastic peel from the LCD. And now you are good to go. Now I am turning on the setup guys, and here we go. So here our system is started guys. The touch facility is working fine and very well. Let me play this video. The touch response is very fast. Let's close it. Now guys, I'm going to show you how browser is working with this LCD. Here I am opening YouTube and let's play a video from here. Let's play this one. The user interface of this LCD is very nice. Everything is working fine and accurate. Now guys, I am going to play a high quality video to check the color quality of this LCD. As you can see, the color contrast is very nice. If you are seeing any lines and patterns on this LCD, that is just because of the camera. In real, it looks crystal clear like your smartphone LCDs. Now we are using Windows 10 on this device, so we can use it as a tablet. Here how it looks in tablet mode. Let me open the Play Store. This is how it goes. And this LCD is a eDP LCD, so you can control your Windows 10 brightness and colors. This is first time I'm seeing a LCD working with the color controls of the Windows 10. That's a cool feature. And the highest resolution of this LCD is 1024 x 600 pixels. So guys, that was my review on this 7-inch eDP display for Lattepanda Alpha and Delta. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you really enjoyed, give this video a thumbs up. If you are interested to buy this LCD, check out the link in the video description. You can share this video with your friends and subscribe my channel with the bell icon for more video updates like this. Thanks a lot for watching guys. See you in my next video.